name is Charmaine Douglas. I'm 21 years old and I've just made it with 4 yeses through to the next round of boot camp, X Factor. As a kid growing up, I didn't get out much. Sounds sad, but the only thing I could find my sanctuary in was music. Whitney Houston was that one singer that really spoke to me through her voice, grabbed me from the inside. And but look, today I've been through so many suits. I went through red suits, you know, burgundy suits, grey suits, black suits, but I chose this one. My mum's instilled everything into me, from, you know, not drinking, not smoking. Just go on the right pathway and you'll find yourself. The way that I learned how to execute runs properly is to break them down, do them slowly, and then speed them up over time. Hey, I just break it down to like, hey. Make me laugh. Thank you for watching this craziness. See you all in boot camp. Peace and light.